In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the date and time in Windows 10. This is really useful if your computer is showing the wrong time, if you've just traveled to a different time zone, or if certain apps and websites aren't working properly because your clock is off. Let's walk through it together, step by step. First, move your mouse to the bottom right corner of your screen and look for the clock on the taskbar. This is where Windows shows the current time and date. Go ahead and right-click directly on that clock. A small menu will pop up with a few options. From that menu, choose Adjust Date Time. This will open the Date and Time Settings window. Once the Settings window appears, you'll see a section near the top that shows the current date, time, and time zone. Under that, there's usually a switch that says Set Time Automatically. If you want Windows to manage your time for you based on the internet and your time zone, make sure that switch is turned on. This is the easiest option for most people and helps keep your clock accurate. If your time is still incorrect, or if you want full manual control, turn off Set Time Automatically. Once it's off, look for the button that says Change under Set the Date and Time Manually. Click that, and a small window will appear where you can adjust the date and the time yourself. In this window, you can click on the day, month, and year to choose the correct date, and then adjust the hour, minutes, and even seconds if you need to be very precise. Take a moment to double-check your entries so everything is correct. When you're happy with the changes, click Change or OK to confirm. You'll see the clock in the bottom right corner update immediately. Next, it's important to make sure your time zone is correct. Still in the same settings window, find the option that says Time Zone. Open the drop-down list and select the time zone that matches your location. If you travel often, you can also enable Set Time Zone Automatically, so Windows updates it for you. Once you're done, you can close the settings window. Your date and time are now updated, and your apps and websites should work more smoothly. That's all you need to do to change the date and time in Windows 10.